Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2009 Suzuki Burgman 650 Executive. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a close look at the Suzuki. It is HPI clear. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around it. I'll point out all the extras on this, with it being the Executive model. It's got all the toys on it. And looking from the front there, it does have a power screen and it does have power mirrors that fold away. On a button, I'll show you that later on when we look around the dash. So let's just get a good look at the condition of it. It's also got ABS on this model. It's in a nice metallic silver as well. It also has a side stand as well as the main stand. Also on the Executive, it does have the nice big backrest for the pillion passenger. Let's get a look over the top of the seat for you. The footwell area. The seats are also heated. It's got the heated front and rear seat on it. Let's have a look over the back. And we'll move around to the right hand side. Get a look in there at the brake. Let's get a look at the exhaust. And the rest of the plastics on this side, on the side of the seat. You can see it's got brake there, handbrake. We'll finish off at the front wheel on this right hand side. There you go. What we'll do now, we'll go and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So over on this right hand side, we've got the front brake, fully reach adjustable, kill switch, hazards. This moves the screen up and down. Starter on that side. And on the other side, we've got the rear brake, again fully adjustable. And we've got the lights, indicators and horn. You've also got your heated grips on there, and the extras that you get with this Executive model. You've got the power button that changes the power modes. You've got D and M, which is a manual and automatic for the gears. So when you put it into automatic, it's semi-automatic. Obviously there's no clutch on it, but these change up and down through the gears. I'll just turn the ignition on now. I'll just show you these work. Press that one. Brings both the mirrors in. Press that one again. Sends them back out. And then you've also got the screen up and down. So it's easily adjustable. So let's go and get a look at the mileage on it. You can see the mileage, it's 15,122. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.